that and pick it up and put it in the bin in a minute. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so what you can hear there is the roar of 2 7.5 litre American V8 Chevrolet 500 horsepower. Both the trucks have got 4-wheel steering systems. This is independent 4-wheel steering, you steer the front wheels with one hand, the rear wheels with the other.
They're going to have a race.
It's the battle of the sexes. Big versus the Grim Reaper, man versus woman. Who's going to be the quickest in the drag race? Who is going to win the tug of war? The winner of the tug of war is the person with the biggest piece of car. And then, who can pull off the best jumps? 7.5 tons of Big Pete, genuine American Peterbilt cab on the monster truck chassis versus 5 tons of the Grim Reaper, the same engine, the same gearbox.
Are you ready to watch them race?
Yeah!
Here we go for the drag race. I want a nice loud countdown, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, top of your voice. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Well, that's one to the woman there. So now, it's time to rid the planet of one more horrible French car, ladies and gentlemen. So get your cameras ready, people. Hopefully this goes to plan.
Oh shit, I haven't got any memory. You film it, put it on Facebook.
We're going to pull that white car into 2 pieces.
As we attach the 2 huge chains to Big Pete and the Grim Reaper.
So that they can attach the chains to it.
So the winner, like I said, person with the biggest piece of car is the winner. Will it be Carol with the Grim Reaper? She's got the front end. Will it be Big Pete, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? Especially you people down there that dislike French cars, what about it? You want to see the Saxo die? Do you want to see some damage? Okay, here we go. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, dear me! Look, it's ripped the roof clean up like a tin of beans.
I actually didn't
The doors have come off, the seats have come out. You know what? That's a tough call there, ladies and gentlemen. And I think we're going to call that a draw, ladies and gentlemen. So,
I got it just as good.
I check all the gauges on Big Pete. It's now time for me to get my beautiful assistant strapped in. One last thing I forgot to tell you. Make sure those collars stay up or the harness breaks your neck, okay? So, hang on to that. Helmet on.
Can you see the sparkling? I just said that to Andy. There you go, I might have to post that picture just like everything on your back.
So one more thing I didn't tell you about earlier on, the blind spot on this truck. Right now the two front cars have disappeared out of my line of sight. Okay, this is why Peter is working the steering. He's working the steering, you're working the throttle, ladies and gentlemen. The louder you cry, the higher we fly. Here we go. HMS Sultan. Everything so far so good. Touch wood. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Do you want to see some damage? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. He's going to ask me to come in, make sure everything's okay. It's looking here, family. Yes, he's enjoying himself so far. Yeah. Here we go. So you see what the team are doing now, just like I told you, checking the cars straight, each and every time, launch level, fly level, land level.
Ready?
To keep the trucks safe.
Watch that one.
Obviously Peter's noticed that they aren't just quite square, he's gone to get the forklift. Peter, thumbs up from Karen. Ladies and gentlemen, HMS Sultan, let's make some noise for your lady driver here today, Karen Shutler. Do you want to see some damage? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!